Hello YouTube, and this is a video on how to take apart an Xbox. What you will need is a flathead screwdriver, a T10 Torx, they're little pointy star ones, okay? Don't know if you can see that. And you might want a little pin like this. So first what you got to do is just take out the front faceplate, that just rips off easy. Also you need to take off your hard drive. You put the flathead, there's little holes in there, and it just goes in like that. Then you can use these, the little point thing, just to clip this out, and you do it the same on this side, okay? And it just unclips like that. Now you want to use the flathead again to undo the clips on the back. So you just put it in here like that and just unclip it. Then you want to do this one, and do these two overhead. Then that should just unlift like that a little bit. Then you turn it round, and then there should be small clips, and you just unclip it there. That's it. There. 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 And the last one's over here. And now you need to use the T10 torque. And here you undo this one. So I don't know if you can see, you undo a screw there, 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 and there. Then there's one here, and there's one there. Okay, I'm just going to unscrew them all. Just about to undo the last screw. Then you want to bring the console carefully and put it on like this. Then you can see this just unclips. Then once you've done that, you can just take it off like that. And that is how you undo the Xbox console, okay? Message me if you want any more details on how to undo it.